morning, sleepyheads. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my morning routine as a mom of 3 with a toddler. And mind you, I'm not really a morning person, but once school is in session, you have no option. So once my alarm goes off at 6 a.m, I usually say a quick prayer with hubby and then head down to the kids room to wake them up for school. And of course, I always like to maybe give them probably 5 minutes to kind of get back themselves, because sometimes when you wake them up they just have this sleepy eye going around. So basically I wake them up, I let them know what to do, like to get their uniform and things like that, brush their teeth, bathe, and I head down to the kitchen to prepare a quick breakfast for them. And usually sometimes, guys, it all depends on what they want. They sometimes tell me what they want, or days where I'm not just in the mood to cook nothing, I quickly just fix them cereal. I fix them milk and cereal and they're off to school. But today they wanted egg omelette and waffles, so I quickly just cut up some onions, some tomatoes, some spinach. I just like to, even though sometimes they don't like eating a lot in the morning, but days where they want to eat a lot, I like to make sure that their food is balanced in a way. I cut up some onion, tomatoes, spinach is so good. You guys already know it has a lot of nutritional value, so I just add that inside my bowl. Add up some eggs. Normally I just break maybe 4 eggs for them, and also this breakfast is for them and for Ace too, even though the toddler is sleeping at the moment. But I like to prepare the same breakfast the twins eat with Ace, so that once he wakes up I just know that his breakfast is kind of ready for him to eat. So I basically just crack the eggs, add some seasoning. I like to add a little bit of milk into my egg, and then for the egg, guys, we absolutely love using kind of a little bit of butter to fry the egg. So I'm basically just gonna add a kind of a stick of butter inside my frying pan and then go ahead and add the eggs. Honestly, guys, in as much as I'm not really a morning person, like if I have it my way, I won't wake up until maybe 9 a.m, guys. But to be honest, like truthfully, waking up very, very early in the morning has actually helped me a lot. Like it helps me get a lot accomplished, because when you wake up so early, you just hit your day right on time, and it also helps me to go to bed early. So basically, if I wake up early towards maybe in the evening, I'm already kind of weak, so it helps me a lot to just get knocked out once I lay my head on the bed. But yeah, once I give them their breakfast as they are eating, I just take that time to fix their hair, even though this is not the most hygienic thing to do, guys. But to be honest, like this is the only time I have to do their hair by now, because school starts at 8, and by now, guys, it's probably almost maybe 7:45 or so. So once I get that done, they head out. Their dad is already waiting for them outside the gate with the car to take them to school. And once they are off, I've got the time to come and then probably wake Ace up. But most times, even before his sisters leave for school, he gets up, he's awake. So once he's awake, guys, I just get him out of bed, and then I quickly fix up the bed. Like, guys, if my bed is not made up in the morning, it kind of, I don't know, like when I make up my bed, it gets me kind of mentally ready to face the day. I don't know why, but once I get that done, I go ahead and give Mr. Ace his food. As you all can see, once he sees his high chair, he knows it's food time. So I set him up and I give him his breakfast. He has his eggs, waffle, and also he's a lover of banana, so I try as much as possible to incorporate like fruits to his breakfast. And let me tell you guys, Ace has a mind of his own. Like he has days where he wants to eat his food, he has days where he just wants to play with his food. So today was one of those days. I tried to feed him, he was just kind of playing with the food. I just left him alone, and headed to the kitchen to fix myself something, you know. Sometimes he's just in the mood to really eat, and then sometimes you just let him play with his food and do whatever it is he wants to do with it. All right, so in the kitchen, like usually in the morning, I like to fix myself a very quick breakfast. And for me, guys, if you watch my channel, you notice that I love smoothies, like fresh smoothies. So basically I just add some banana, pineapple, and spinach in a blender, blend up everything. Just I add a little bit of milk, maybe almond milk, depending on the milk I have, just to liquefy the smoothie, and that is my breakfast. That is usually my breakfast. Like I drink this in the morning, and then probably towards 12:31 I then have kind of my brunch, which also serves as my lunch. But you know, my smoothie, my green smoothie, guys, like I get all the nutritional value I need for the morning. And sometimes when I'm doing that, I take that opportunity to maybe check out my social media, or just, you know, just maybe check out my emails. But once I'm done with that, guys, I go ahead and clean up my kitchen, do the dishes, because whenever I'm getting the kids' food ready in the morning, I don't even mind. My kitchen is always a mess, but once I'm able to kind of get them off to school, I then relax and kind of tidy my home. And that is basically what I'm doing here. And I have just a little dish, like I have small dishes to wash, so that is why I didn't use a dishwasher. I just quickly clean up my countertop, just, you know, make sure everywhere is nice and clean before then facing my day.
You feel something real, get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you.
So by now I already, you know, gave Ace a quick bathe, and it's my turn now to just take my bath. I just like to take a quick bath, guys. Like I don't even like spending a lot of time in the morning, you know, in the bathroom. So basically once I get that done, I just fix myself up and fix Ace up, and this is the time we now relax and just play. As you all can see, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at me, I'm my dancing, guys. This is the time we just get to spend in the living room. Sometimes if I have a lot of things to do, guys, I head down to my studio, which I have like as my closet and also my office, you know, work section. That is days where I have a lot of things to do. But for today, I just had maybe to plan my week and also to reply to my emails. So we just decided to settle in the living room while Mr. Ace is watching his cartoon. I get busy with business, and yes, you guys, this really do complete my 6 a.m. morning routine. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.